Hello guys, PC Basics back at you with another video. In this episode, I'm showing you how to install Windows 11 on a Mac. What you'll need is a USB with Windows 10 and a USB with the Apple support software for drivers that you can get from Boot Camp by going to the Action tab and downloading Windows Support. And then you got to start by installing Windows 10. Alright guys, I just got to the desktop after installing Windows 10, so this is a fresh install. What we're going to do, and why we needed this USB with the drivers on it, is we're going to go, we're going to go here, and go to the USB, Windows Support, right there. And Boot Camp setup. Yes. And we're gonna install the drivers real quick. And I'll be back when it finishes. So there's the drive, and I just plugged it in and opened the Windows Explorer, and we're gonna hit this setup right here, and you'll see it says Windows 11 on it. It's preparing, and let me quick show you while it's doing this. See, install Windows 11. Let me show you real quick. This Mac is a 4th gen Intel processor, 4 gigs of RAM, and let's show you the MS Info 32. And if I go to hardware, components, display, you can see it's got the Intel Iris graphics, same computer. Alright, and we're going to install Windows 11. Okay, so it says your PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 requirements. So my problem is the USB didn't want to work. So let me close some of these. I actually found a workaround online on GitHub. My bad. Trying to find where it went. Okay. Well, this will force Windows 11 with a GitHub script. By Joseph M10. You download this code as a zip file. I'll put the link in the description. You basically extract this zip file right here into this folder, and then you download the Windows 11 ISO right there, and you run this script, env.bat, which is a badge file. And run anyway. Okay. It will open PowerShell. And basically, you have to set the PowerShell to be able to run scripts. Run that. And then we're just going to do A for all. Okay. And then what you want to do after you do that is source windows.iso. It should be right there. Oh, yeah, it would help if I put the dot. Okay, there we go. So as I was saying, run it. Run once, yes. And it should start writing the ISO. So I let the command run, it didn't take very long, and everything finished up. It opened a command prompt window, created an ISO, and says press enter to continue, so we will. Alright, so if we look in this folder, yep, we have the ISO right there, just created it. So what we're going to do now is type ./win11-tpm-reg bypass.ps1, and then we're going to do -prepare, and let me make sure I spell this right. Yep, PrepareUpgrade. Basically what this does is it gets Windows 10 ready for the Windows 11 install, and will basically skip all the checks that need to be run for Windows 11 to install. And now if we run the Windows 11 install, it should work. So what I'm gonna do is take this ISO and make a bootable drive with it, and I'll show you how to do that. We're gonna go here, gonna go to download Rufus. Okay, create a bootable disk, yes. Okay, we're gonna download Rufus 3.19, that's the current one. Just download the newest one, whatever it is, by the time you're watching this video. Yes. Yes. Device. So, we're gonna plug in our USB. Okay. It already detected it. We're gonna select our ISO. Desktop. Nope, that's the zip file. Select wintpm.iso. Yep, that looks good. It's gonna label it DVD-ROM. Okay. Yep, don't care. If you had anything important on the USB, we're gonna want to back it up. We're gonna let this run, and when it finishes, I'll show you what to do next.